let us see how the first week of March for Scorpio would be. We are going to use four cards, one from regular tarot deck. Sorry. So much is going on. Okay. Even I'm a Scorpio friend. First week of March. Yeah, one from the Light Seers deck, one from Monology, and one from Keeper's deck. Okay, friends, let us remove all the cards first. Some very active energies I'm getting. Let us see what the card says. But I'm feeling something is going on. You know, too much of the things. Yes, Scorpio. One from Monology deck. Let us see what Monology card also has a message for you. One from Keeper's deck. Till now, very beautiful cards have come. So I think generally first week of March is going to be good for all of us. Thank you. Now let us see. The first card, Two of Swords. Okay, Scorpio. Two of Swords. Two is the number of partnership. Two is the number of yin. It also shows yin and yang energy. But there is something, which makes your vision blurred. You can't see the things properly. You can't see the opportunities which are on the way. Maybe some negativity, something which has already closed your eyes. You have got a very good intuition power. The moon is there, so very good intuition power. But then also you are not able to take the right decision. Confusion, you see, confusion, mixed feelings. I told you, very strange things were going on. Knight of Wands. Just see the last cards also, and as you know, Knight of Wands, galloping. So the thoughts are galloping, things are moving very fast in your mind, and that is the reason you are confused, you cannot take the right decision. Now let us see the second, yes, Page of Pentacles. So maybe you are confused, but you will have a very good news coming on the way. In terms of career, money, and you are holding it tightly. That means you will have the opportunity. You will be out of the confusion and will take some decision, and definitely you will get the message for a very good opportunity which you are going to grab, which will make you in a very good stable position. See, on the one leg the girl is standing. Then also very stable, very firm foundation you will have. You will remove your confusion. See, when you remove your confusion, then and then you can have the firm foundation. The next is Mutable Moon. Nothing is yet set in stone. That is, till now you have not decided very strongly what you want. Because of Two of Swords, so remove the puzzle, remove the confusion, and see the things properly and grab the opportunity. Pathway, very beautiful card. You have got the pathway. We see very beautiful butterflies. So prosperity is coming to your way. A beautiful pathway is there, and I see a brightness. So definitely you are going to be on the path of success. But before that, you have to remove confusion from your mind, clear your mind, because you are going to get very soon the message of related to your career or love, which will have a strong foundation in your life. Your pathway is very bright, friend. Butterflies, as you know, the butterflies has special meaning of happiness, meaning of prosperity, glory. So just remove the confusion. Let us see what are the general messages which the universe wants to give you, Scorpio, for first week of March. Thank you. Confidence is key to success. Yes, remove the confusion. Be confident. Be confident on yourself. And as we know, when the page comes, it is the messenger. That means now we are very near to completion. And it is a pentacle. So near to success in your career. Number 31, maybe 31, 31st March. I don't know. Player. So don't be a player. Do the things with focus, with clear mind. Yellow is your color, friend. Let us see the love messages for you. What are the love messages for Scorpio? Thank you. The first message for you: I want you, my love. Okay, somebody is telling you, I want you, my love, or maybe you are craving for someone. Letter J. Somebody from letter J. Okay. Your love life is ascending to a bigger level of commitment. I told you, a very bright pathway. I see a very beautiful, see what sunshine is there. So definitely, even love life or career life, you are going to have a very bright thing only. Be fearless, be without any confusion. Secret admirer. Someone has deeper feeling for you than they are letting on. Okay, somebody is having a real good feeling for you, friend, but they are unable to show you, or maybe you are having a deeper feeling for someone and you are unable to show. Have courage and show. Soulmates. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. Such a beautiful lesson. You see, just a beautiful message is already there. Just manifest it. So friends, a nice message for you. A nice and bright future is going to start. Success is on the way. The first message of success you will receive within this first week of March. Thank you. Have a good day.